Hello everyone, this is Ruby. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to create this look using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette or Rose in the Air palette. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is a fantastic palette with some gorgeous shades. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So for the primer today, I'm using the Blue Heavens primer. I'm dotting it all over my face and massaging it really well into the skin. I'm now using this orange color corrector from NY to color correct the dark areas of my skin. I'm taking a damp sponge and blending it really well into the skin. I'll now set the corrected areas using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I'll mention the details of all the products I'm using in the description box. Do check it out. I'm using the same damp sponge to set the area. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is my go-to foundation as it is very easy to blend and gives a very natural finish to the skin.
Day or night, you know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through.
For concealer, I'm using this from Swiss Beauty in the shade Sand Sable. This is such an affordable yet amazing product, has high coverage and is very easy to blend. The shade is a bit lighter than my skin tone. I'm using this mainly to highlight the under eyes. I'm also using the same concealer to highlight the high points of my face, that is my forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. using the same compact, I'll set my highlight and under eyes. I am using the Swiss Beauty setting spray to set my base. For the brows, I am using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. I am using the darker shade from this brow kit.
Secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one.
Using the same concealer, I'm carving out the edges of the brows to get a cleaner look, and I also applied same on my eyelids to get a smooth base for my eyeshadows. I'm applying this transition shade from the palette a bit above my crease area. This will help the other darker eyeshadows to blend properly. Now taking this orangish shade, I'm further darkening the area above the crease. Now taking this dark brown shade, I am applying on the outer corners. This is supposed to be applied where the crease of the eye starts to give a dimension to the eye. But since I have hooded eyes, I am applying this above my crease. I will share a detailed tutorial on how to apply eyeshadow on hooded eyes later. Now I am applying this shimmery brown shadow on my lids. This is such a pretty shade, I loved it. using this champagne sort of a color, I'll highlight the inner corners of the eyes and also the brow bone. I'll complete the eyes using the same dark brown shade on my lower lash line. I'm using this LA Colors Highlight and Contour palette as a bronzer and highlight, and I will finish off the rest of the makeup after applying mascara and lipstick. So guys, here's the finished look. I really suck at explaining makeup, but I'm trying. I'm very new to it. Please support me if you like my videos, and also please subscribe to my channel. This will mean a lot. I put a lot of effort to it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.